Hello, my name is Lucy. I wanted to share with you how going forward we make up a protective gears. I'm already thinking what happens after the lockdown and like how do we go back to normal. I know one of the major challenges we're going to be having is hygiene and like how do you practice hygiene going forward with your, you know, hairstylist, makeup artist, nail tech. How do we practice hygiene? So I said to myself, okay, let me try it on myself. So like obviously I don't have anybody to try it on. So I said let me try it on myself and see how it goes. So I have here my gloves and this. So first thing first, I'm gonna wear the gloves. So that's it. My hands are washed, by the way, washed and sanitized. So where the gloves. Be careful. I don't know how you're gonna do if you have nails. You have to be extra careful. So that's it. Okay, so we go into it. So now I'm confused. I want to apply primer on my face. How do we do that? Do I scoop the primer? Okay, I can use a brush to do that. So take this, take the mixing tray, and then I put my moisturizer. That's the first thing I'm going to do. On the mixing tray. So my mixing tray is, and then I just apply. So cut using your hands for a lot of things. Like you just have to go. The next step is using my base. So I'm going to use this Caroline. So that's what I'm going to use. Right? Okay, so that's it. The area where I sweat to mattify. Can you see just mattifies my face? The foundation I'm using. So I do the same thing on cap and then take a bit. So that's it. So that's it. Apply my concealer, which is Julia Space. So, I have to decant it as well. Okay, because it's mine, I can afford to use that. But if it's not mine, I need to get a spatula to scoop that and put on the tray. So that kind of take a bit of getting used to. But then I'm not allowed to double dip. So note that. So I go in with another flat brush and then I just pop my under eye with that. So that's it. So that's it. Do my brows. So I'm using this yellow and the black. Working with gloves, it's a bit of inconvenience, but it takes a bit of getting used to. If you have sweaty palms, I think I would advise you, after you have washed your hands, sanitize your hands, use a bit of powder, because that would help sweat from your palms, and then you can stay on longer for a while. And I don't know how, because I don't have fixed nails, I just have natural nails under this. I don't know if it will affect, but look at this is what we have after I have finished applying the makeup. So I'm going to dispose it now. So this is what the makeup looks like close up. So using my gloves. And in reality now is using hand gloves with when applying our makeup like this, and then walk. But so what are your thoughts? What do you think? How are you going to cope? Is this something you're practicing? Because this is me practicing from after the lockdown. This is how I am definitely going to be working. I'd love to know your comments, your thoughts in the comment section below.